Hi everybody, welcome to HTAG Bite-Sized How-To videos. I'm Sash and today we'll be featuring HTAG Copilot Metric Explorer. So this feature is super handy and powerful if you need to get a little more understanding as to what a particular metric means, or if you need to understand the relationship between two or more metrics in the context of your research. So I'm going to run through a very simple example. So we're going to take our goal matching tool and we'll just select one of the first strategies. And what will happen on the back of this is we'll get a short list of some suburbs and rank them by key investment metrics. And then we'll add those metrics to our Metrics Explorer and seek a little bit more understanding. So we'll just wait until that finishes. All right, now that our agent has come back with some suburbs here. All right, excellent. So we've got one. We can essentially pick one of the metrics, say the confidence, and we've got some explanation what the metric means, but we'll add it to our Explorer and we'll get stock and market as well, and we'll add that metric. And now we've got a range of different options that we'd like to understand what the relationship between these two, how they relate to one another, how should they be weighted in your strategy, what signals do these metrics imply, and you can also create a custom question that might be related to these metrics. So let's just run that. But the important thing to note here is that this actually adds a layer of learning through explainability to the HTAG platform that we feel plays a great importance of like ethical investing through education. Excellent. So here we can see the output of what the agent provided. On the left side, it's a little more compressed, and on the right side, there is the explanation as to how the two relate to one another. Thanks for watching.